Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Alex here coming at you with another video, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of this keyboard called the Keychron K2. And I know this isn't a new product. I'm sure there's plenty of unboxings out there of it, but I've never done one, and I figured maybe some of you had never heard of this keyboard and are looking for a new one, so I figured I would go ahead and do an unboxing anyway. I bought this on Amazon for, I believe, $99, but I'll put the link down below so you can see the exact one that I purchased. This is just going to be a quick video, and then if I gain enough interest for a review, I'll go ahead and do a review as well. But this is the box. It says a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. That's what I need right there, peak productivity. Got some details here. So there are multiple models. I got the one with the metal brown switch. There's like other color switches, and I won't lie, this is, just a very informal unboxing. Not really sure what the difference is in switches. I could talk about that if I do a review, or maybe someone in the comments below can let me know. On the back, we just have some features about the product, so I'm not going to read everything, but we have compact design. It works with Mac and Windows. You can use it wired and wireless. You can pair up to 3 devices. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery life, and it can last up to 4 weeks when the backlight is disabled, and then it has 15 light effects as well. So seems like a cool keyboard. Let's go ahead and open it up here. So here is a little piece of paper that comes in the top of it, which just basically says, if you're a Windows user, then find the appropriate keycaps in the box. So basically, Windows and Mac have different keys for these bottom 3 here, so it gives you the different keycaps to switch out as well. And then we have the actual keyboard here, which is packaged nicely. I'm used to the really skinny Apple keyboard, so will be interesting to use something like this, because man, that is a thick keyboard right there. Frame, you have 2 different stands you can use, so you can make it higher up, or you can, I guess, just do kind of a more lower profile stand as well. So that's the bottom. Got a couple rubber feet here, and on the top, here's the keyboard. It has that nice sound that I wanted on a keyboard. It has a nice tactile feel, and overall it just looks like a really sleek, really nice keyboard. And once I get my new desk, it's definitely going to look really great on that. On the side, we have a couple controls here. If you can see that, I don't know if it's going to focus, but you can see right here we have a couple controls. So one is to plug in with USB-C. One is to switch between Mac OS and Windows, and then the other is going to be, I guess, to switch between Bluetooth and wired mode, from what I can tell. Once again, I can do a review and detail it a bit more if that is requested. And then we have a manual, and we have those extra keycaps, which I won't be using because I have a Mac, so the correct keycaps are already on. And then we also have this device, which I'm going to guess is what helps you to remove the keycaps or place them on, but one of those two is going to be what this is for. And then, which it's nice that they include that, and then it also has the USB-C to USB cable to plug in and do it wired. I probably will ditch this cable and use my Apple USB-C to USB-C, just because I have a Mac, and if I want to use this, I'd have to use the USB-C to USB adapter, so I'll probably ditch this. But yeah, anyway, that's it. That's the unboxing. I really like the packaging. I always love when products have a really good, clean packaging. Makes the experience or the excitement for having a new product even higher. And the keyboard, first impressions, looks really, really nice, feels nice, sounds nice, doesn't sound too loud, but just loud enough. And I'm really excited to see it light up and test it out. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys would like a review. I'm by no means a keyboard expert. I don't know everything about them. You know, I know there's people out there that customize keyboards and things like that, replace the switches, but I can give my, you know, humble review if anybody would enjoy that. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.